start your kimchi, cut up a cabbage, any cabbage. It could be purple, it could be green, into small pieces. You want little strips and try to separate them from each other. So make sure you have washed your cabbage first also and put it in a large bowl. Next, you're going to put a lot of salt on it to kill the bad bacteria and smush it down. You want to bruise the leaves actually. And then you're going to cover it with a tea towel for 2 hours. This is, again, going to kill the bad bacteria. After those 2 hours, you're going to rinse it off in a strainer or a colander. And then once it's all rinsed off, put it back in a big bowl. Then you're going to chop up 4 cloves of garlic and a pretty decent chunk of ginger, like roughly a 1/4 cup of ginger. I peel the skin personally because it grows underground. So in a separate bowl, combine the ginger garlic, and then I do 3 tablespoons of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of cayenne. This does make it really spicy, so maybe just try 2 if you're not really into spicy kimchi and you like it more mild. Then add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, teaspoon of salt, and 8 tablespoons of filtered water. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. They could be white or black. I do a mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce as a vegan alternative to fish sauce. Stir it all together till it's mixed well. Add the cabbage, coating each leaf in this yummy, spicy mixture, and break apart any clumps that are still together. Sterilize a large glass jar and put the kimchi mixture in it, pushing it down each time. You can use your fingers, and then when you get closer to the top, you can use a wooden spoon. Smashing it down gets all of the air bubbles out, which you don't want. Loosely add the lid, but don't tie it on too tight because it needs to ferment, and that process produces carbonation, which will, if you tie it too tight, you don't want it to explode. Put a bowl underneath it to catch liquid. This is after day 1, so the liquid will come out, and that's normal. Just dump it out, check on it. You can smash down the kimchi with bare hands if you want, and after 5 days, you can try it. I wouldn't go any longer than that. If you want to go less, that's okay too. So, let's see how it tastes. There you go, easy homemade kimchi. Put it in the refrigerator and enjoy. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment if you try it, and subscribe to Lucid Human. Thanks for watching.